Today we are going to do a cardboard based activity. So you can use any toy box or any sort of old cardboard box lying around in your house for this activity. So I took an old cardboard box and made two bridges and a garage and a small pond. Since my child likes to play with his vehicle toys and things, so in case your child likes something else, you can go ahead and redesign the cardboard to suit what your child likes. So let's get started and see how it went. To make this, it took me about 15 minutes and not more than that. And the child was engaged playing with it for about 1 hour, and he kept repeatedly going to it throughout the day. So I think it was a good thing to try.
Once I go inside the bridge. It's a London bridge.
That's London Bridge, okay.
Can
Now keep something on the bridge. Come fast. Yeah.
It's easier.
Keep it on the bridge, Kanna. You're keeping it under the bridge. Keep it on the bridge.
And the way is it back to seeing listening. The back is done. To do rain. Chili, chili water. This jacket was red, reddish, reddish. Was it elephant?